With Best Nurse Ever, you can partner with us and earn a significant amount of money every month. So let's see how you can really pay back your studies by becoming a B&E ambassador. There are 3 ways to earn an income with Best Nurse Ever. 1. By recommending our products and solutions to friends and classmates. 2. By actively promoting Best Nurse Ever's products and solutions as an ambassador. 3. By working with us to produce and record more content, making the community even more interesting and useful for everybody. Recommending products to friends and classmates. This is the easiest and fastest way to earn while you study. In order to start receiving referrals, you simply have to click the link below this video and register as a Best Nurse Ever ambassador. We'll review your application within 24 hours, and once you get approved, you'll receive your custom link. Share this link with your friends and classmates, and you'll get 30% of the total sales you generate. At the same time, your friends will also have a discount code to get the guide 15% off. Promote Best Nurse Ever as an ambassador. This is the method that allows you to make a consistent revenue thanks to our community and products. In order to actively promote our products and services, simply go on your ambassador account. Inside the account, in the media section, you'll find tons of useful marketing material you can use to promote your link on social media or in your university. You can promote your link using your social media pages, your email list, on online communities and forums, or even with printed flyers in your university. You'll get 30% of the total sales generated using your link, which means that for every sale, you'll make approximately $40. Within a matter of few weeks, with the right approach, you can move closer to the goal of paying back your studies while also helping other people with our amazing nursing notes and this fantastic community. But there's more. By becoming a Best Nurse Ever ambassador, you not only take a cut of the profits on your printed books, you also get reoccurring revenue on every member that joins the community. Let's say you know Marta, your friend and classmate. She hears about the community from you and she decides to join. You'll get 30% of the revenue for every month Marta stays in the community. Let's suppose she really enjoys the guides, the materials, the videos, and the community, and she stays on board for 6 months. You'll make 30% of her membership each month directly deposited into your bank account. Let's say you spread the word on social media, and between your classmate and 30 people decide to join the community. At that point, you'd be making over $500 each month simply by recommending a great product to people that need it. If you then decide to make one step further, our marketing specialist will be happy to jump on a call with you and help you build a marketing plan that allows you to promote and help a large number of people each month. 3. On top of that, we are always looking to improve our community and add new content. We welcome you to send us constructive feedback on what we can improve and what modules or content we can add. In this case, if you want to make more of an active part in the improvements of the community, we will be paying you for your valuable time. We partner with professional nurses and nursing students with you to record new videos and build new guides every month. If you're interested in becoming a contributor for the community, simply click the link below and we'll be in touch with you in no time.